Now, our motto, if inclined plane surface are smooth, then our motto determine what about a solution of this block. Okay, so how can be determined? First of all, look here. Okay, so first of all, make free body diagram of that block. Mg, if you make free body diagram, there are two types of forces: direct contact force and indirect contact force. Direct contact force simply apply by the plane on block, always perpendicular to surface. That's why this force is represent how much? Like this direction. Okay, and direct contact force due to inclined plane apply on small m block is how much? In this direction, perpendicular to surface. That's why I represent like that one. Now second one, indirect contact force due to gravity, mg downward. Okay, so here m into g, and normal force, this one is direct contact force by inclined plane on small m block. That's why I represent n1 here. And indirect contact force due to indirect contact force only due to gravity, so due to earth, so that's why mg downward direction. Okay, now the surface are smooth, so friction, this is basically frictionless surface. Okay, a smooth surface means that is frictionless surface. Now after that force represent here and that force represent here. Both are not in x direction, not in y direction. Not okay. You can say that this one is y direction, but that one is not in x direction or y direction. Okay. Now moment of this mass is how much? R corresponding to here, and that surface are fixed. So only this block movement in which direction? In corresponding to that direction. Okay. So you can resolve all component corresponding to capital X axis and capital Y axis. Okay, all force component resolve corresponding to capital X axis and Y axis. After that, okay, so first of all, look here, mg component along in this direction represent here, mg component along this direction represent here. Okay, if this one is theta, then that one also theta. So what about that one? Mg into cos theta, and here m into g sin theta. Okay, after that, this block is not moving along capital Y axis. This block is moving corresponding to capital X axis, only possible. So according to Newton's second law, net force in y direction f of y is how much? 0. So n1 this will be equal to how much? Only possible if n1 this will be equal to mg cos theta, then this block is not moving along this direction. Okay, after that, look here, this block moving along this direction, so only unbalanced force in which direction? In capital X axis. So you can say that f of capital X this will be equal to, according to Newton's second law, mass into acceleration. So here m into g sin theta this will be equal to mass into a. So what about a? A this will be equal to g sin theta. Okay, so acceleration of the block is how much? G sin theta, and normal force applied by inclined plane on the block is how much? Mg cos theta. Okay, make it.